ever heard of strange rituals that have been practiced by different cultures around the world? From bizarre initiation ceremonies to odd food fights, and from unusual mourning rituals to strange festivals, human cultures are full of peculiar and fascinating practices. Welcome to the Clever Channel. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of the strangest and most intriguing rituals from around the world. Get ready to learn about cultural practices that will leave you scratching your head in wonder. Whether you're interested in anthropology, history, or just enjoy learning about the unusual, this video is for you. Let's explore the top 10 strange rituals that you won't believe actually exist. Number 10. Starting off our list at number 10 is the Battle of the Oranges, a massive food fight in Italy's Ivrea, where people throw oranges at each other. It is said to represent the overthrow of a tyrannical lord by the people of Ivrea during the 12th century. According to the legend, the people of Ivrea rebelled against the Lord after he attempted to force a young bride to sleep with him on her wedding night. The carnival takes place over 3 days and culminates in a massive food fight. It is estimated that over 500,000 kilograms of oranges are used during the event each year. Little side note, the oranges used during the event are not wasted. In fact, they are collected and sold to a juice company that uses them to make orange juice. Number 9. Coming in at number 9 is the Monkey Buffet Festival. The Monkey Buffet Festival is an annual event that takes place in Lapuri, a city in Thailand known for its large population of wild macaque monkeys. The festival is a celebration of the monkeys and their importance to the local culture and economy. The festival takes place on the last Sunday of November and attracts thousands of visitors from all over the world. During the festival, over 2,000 kilograms of fruit, vegetables, and other food items are placed on tables for the monkeys to feast on. The monkeys of Lapuri are considered sacred by the local people, and the festival is seen as a way to pay homage to them. Number 8. Next up at number 8, we have the Crying Sumo Festival, also known as the Naki Sumo Festival. It is an annual event held in Japan that involves sumo wrestlers holding babies and trying to make them cry. The festival is believed to bring good luck and ward off evil spirits. The festival takes place in different regions of Japan, with the most famous one held at the Sensoji Temple in Tokyo. The sumo wrestlers try to make the babies cry by making funny faces, shaking them gently, or making loud noises. The first baby to cry is believed to be the winner, and the sumo wrestler who held the crying baby is considered to be the most skilled at making babies cry. That sounds like it's right up my alley. Number 7. Coming in at number 7 is cheese rolling. Cheese rolling is an unusual and traditional event that takes place in the English town of Brockworth, Gloucestershire. The event involves rolling a large wheel of cheese down a steep hill with competitors racing down after it. The cheese used in the competition is a 9-pound wheel of double Gloucester cheese, which is specially made for the event by a local cheesemaker. The cheese can reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour as it rolls down the hill, making it difficult for competitors to catch. The origins of the cheese rolling competition are unclear, but it is believed to date back to the 1800s or earlier. Say cheese. Number 6. Coming in at number 6 is the Running of the Bulls, a traditional event that takes place every year in Pamplona, Spain during the festival of San Fermin. The event involves running in front of a group of charging bulls which are released into the streets of the city. The Running of the Bulls has its roots in the 14th century when bulls were transported from the countryside to the city for bullfighting events. Over the years, there have been many injuries and fatalities during the Running of the Bulls. However, there have been efforts to modify the Running of the Bulls to make it safer for both the bulls and the participants, such as reducing the number of runners and increasing safety measures. What is the most memorable ritual you've ever witnessed? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Clever Channel. Number 5. Number 5 on our list is La Tomatina, an annual festival that takes place in the town of Buñol in the Valencia region of Spain. The festival involves a massive food fight where participants throw ripe tomatoes at each other. The tomatoes used in the festival are sourced from the nearby town of Zilces and are typically overripe and unsuitable for consumption. The town of Buñol has designated a specific area for the festival known as the Tomatina Zone, where participants can throw tomatoes without disrupting the rest of the town. La Tomatina is seen as a fun and unique way to celebrate Spain's food culture and is a major tourist attraction for the town of Buñol. Number 4. Number 4 on our list is the burial ritual in Madagascar, also known as Fama de Hana. It is a unique cultural practice that takes place in the highlands of Madagascar. The ritual involves exhuming the bodies of deceased family members, rewrapping them in fresh silk shrouds, and then dancing with the corpses in a celebratory procession. The Fama de Hana ceremony is held every 5 to 7 years, depending on the family's financial situation, as it is an expensive and time-consuming process. Fama de Hana is believed to have originated from the belief that the spirit of the dead do not immediately leave the earth, but remain nearby and can influence the living. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is snake charming. Snake charming is a traditional practice that has been performed in India for centuries. The practice involves playing music to snakes and hypnotizing them with the movements of a flute or other instrument. Snake charmers in India belong to a specific community known as the Sapara or Sapu. The community has a long history of working with snakes and is believed to have originated in Rajasthan. The snakes used in snake charming are typically non-venomous, such as cobras or pythons, and are often captured from the wild. Number 2. At number 2 is Holi. Holi is a Hindu festival that celebrates the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. The festival is known for its vibrant colors, water fights, and dancing. The festival is celebrated on the full moon day in the Hindu month of Falguna, which usually falls in February or March. One of the key traditions of Holi is the throwing of colored powder and water at friends and family members, which symbolizes the joy and happiness of the season. Holi is also a time for forgiveness and reconciliation, with people coming together to forget past grievances and start anew. The festival has been celebrated for centuries in India and is an important part of the country's cultural heritage. Number 1. Topping off our list at the number 1 spot is the bullet ant ritual. The ritual, also known as the ant glove ceremony, is a traditional coming-of-age ritual practiced by the Satere-Mawe indigenous people in Brazil. The ritual involves boys between the age of 10 and 14 enduring intense pain by wearing gloves filled with bullet ants, which are considered to have the most painful sting of any insect. The ritual is believed to have spiritual significance, with the pain and suffering serving as a way to connect with the spirits of the forest and to gain strength and resilience. Despite its intense pain, the bullet ant ritual is seen as an important tradition by the Satere-Mawe people and is considered to be a rite of passage into adulthood. And there you have it, our countdown of the top 10 strange rituals from around the world. From the Monkey Buffet Festival in Thailand to the dangerous bullet ant ritual of the Satere-Mawe tribe in Brazil. These rituals offer unique and fascinating insights into different cultures. Whether you're looking to witness the breathtaking beauty of the Holi festival in India or experience the spine-tingling excitement of the running of the bulls in Spain, these rituals are sure to leave a lasting impression. Make your next trip truly memorable by experiencing one of these unique and fascinating rituals from around the world. Thank you for watching. The Clever Channel is your passport to fascinating discoveries. So, subscribe now. See you next time.